good afternoon. I hope you had a good lunch and you're all comfortable because here we've got lots of style.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
As you can see, for me it's always comfort. Otherwise I wouldn't be like this.
You can't see me like in comfortable clothes, but I am very much comfortable
Okay.
too.
When you're managing.
But then I'll have to be presentable also.
Okay, we've got
And you are.
Urvashi here as well. Hello, Urvashi.
Hi.
Hi, nice to see you.
Hi.
Hello. Hi. Come. Here we've got comfort and style.
Yeah, totally.
That is Urvashi. Big hello to her. Okay, girls, let's just talk about your fashion because you guys are always scrutinized for everything that you do. If Urvashi goes to the airport wearing high heels, people make a comment on that. कि आप flight में कैसे ऐसे high heels पहन के जाते हो? Is that comfortable? So how do you react to that?
I mean, it's fine. Sometimes it's just like we're going for some other shoot or some other promotional event or some brand event. So we don't have time actually. So we get decked up way before and then we catch our flight and straight away from the flight to the airport to directly to the venue of the event. So that's how it works.
So that's why sometimes you're dressed in a way which doesn't look like an airport look.
Yeah, exactly. And also carrying like, some interchangeable clothes at the same time in a mini, what do we call, briefcase, so that we can, for the comfort, we can actually change it and then wear the main outfit. So yeah.
Okay, because I did see something on Insta where people commented on your high heels. They said you were wearing high heels.
Hey, thoda hath hai.
High heels is good for calves. So yeah, it's kind of exercise as well.
And then they said, you're wearing a midi with ruffles, and they said, "Ye kya airport look hai?" So is this something that you girls have to be all the time looking out for? कि style भी अच्छा होना चाहिए, comfort भी होना चाहिए. Is it difficult? I'd like to ask each of you this.
I think only during when you're walking the red carpet, because you have to make sure that you're meeting a lot of people and giving your best, and you actually look up to that moment, which is actually your moment. But otherwise, I have always seen Priyanka, Urvashi in their comfort zone. Even myself, I believe when we are just in our own zone, I think baggy clothes and sometimes the color is all haywire. Maybe it may not look very appealing or glamorous, but it just gives you the comfort and you are focused and you are at it. Then a lot of people loves it because in Gen Z's world today, they like such loose clothes, good nice tank top and loose baggy pants, and which has no curve to it, no shape to it. So I also like that way.
So do you do that because you want to hide your weight?
No, weight has always been an issue in my life. Like Rajdhani se bhi zyada fast fat comes on the body sometime. So yeah, but I work on it. Sometimes everybody's body is different. Like I have always seen her fit and perfect, and I most of the time struggle with a lot of good looks and the curve on the body. But I realized that Indian body has to be curvaceous. It's more appealing and beautiful. Whatever you wear, it will look beautiful. So yeah, I don't have any particular age uniform that I will wear, but I prefer high waist and the tank top. That makes me feel
Have you ever
comfortable.
been criticized for what you wear?
I think most of the actor and the politician and people who are into this field get criticized. What sari, why black and why shimmery. But there are few people who understand that the color is important in life. And colors is the only thing that will, attract the other personality. That's what I believe. So yeah, I like to play with the color and less of with jewelry.
So before I go to Priyanka, one quick question. Style or comfort?
I think both. Both is very important. Color and style and comfort. Because I feel that the comfort will always keeps you limited. When you experiment something new, it will give you better vision, and you are there with the people, and you should not be worried about good or bad. You should just be worried that are you feeling confident after wearing this. That makes more important.
तो ऐसा कभी हुआ है that you're not comfortable, not confident, but because it is stylish आपने पहन लिया?
During the shoot once I have done this. So मैं थोड़ा uncomfortable हो गई थी, and थोड़ा सा on the set while walking I felt that okay, there is something which is uncomfortable, but if I make it more evident, people will look at it. So I have to go in my vanity properly, or that has a long slit, how Kim Kardashian wear. So my to hide my flaws, I was wearing something like that.
Kardashians.
Yeah, so then वो नया था. That was a phase of my life. So that time I was like, ये अच्छा लगेगा. That's what will look good on me. I tried and it was a big flop for me.
So you do learn from flops.
Yeah. How will you learn? You learn with the failures, and it's important.
Absolutely. Priyanka, what about you? Style या comfort?
For me, it's always comfort. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कंफर्ट के चक्कर में आई वॉन्ट वेयर स्टाइलिश क्लोथ्स. डेफिनेटली आई विल वेयर, लेकिन उसको मैं कैसे कंफर्टेबल जोन में ला सकती, इवन इफ आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल इन एनी ड्रेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैंने पहना शोल्डर लेंथ पहना या ट्यूब में कुछ पहना है कोई ड्रेस एंड आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल, देन आई चेंज माई हेयर स्टाइल सो दैट आई बी कंफर्टेबल. मे बी मैं उसको ओपन कर लूँगी एंड आई हाइड समथिंग जो मेरे को अनकंफर्टेबल हो रहा है. यू कैन जस्ट ऐड समथिंग और समथिंग. सो आई थिंक आप कंफर्टेबल भी रह सकते हो या स्टाइलिश भी रह सकते हो.
But has it ever happened that you have been stylish but not comfortable?
ऑनेस्टली मैं जब तक कंफर्टेबल नहीं होंगी आई वोंट स्टेप आउट, बिकॉज फॉर मी कंफर्ट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो डेफिनेटली मेरे को वो कंफर्ट होना चाहिए ताकि मेरे अंदर वो कॉन्फिडेंस आ सके. आई कैन वॉक लाइक मैं आई एम वेरी मच कंफर्टेबल, और तभी आपका वो कपड़ा भी आपकी बॉडी पे फ्लैटर करेगा. दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव. सो यू नीड टू बी वेरी कंफर्टेबल. होता है कई बार आप बहुत फैंसी और स्टाइलिश कपड़े पहनते हो तो कई बार नहीं होते हो आप कंफर्टेबल. थोड़ा बहुत सो फाइंड अ बैलेंस इन बिटवीन.
लेकिन मैंने सुना है that you once wore a सलवार कमीज जो एकदम बेंजी लग रही थी आप, and people said ये क्या है प्रियंका? I mean how can you? ठीक है comfort ठीक है, but you don't do it at the cost of looking like a benji. What happened?
सो सी अगेन आई वाज कंफर्टेबल, तो मैंने वो स्टेप उठाया होटल में जाने का. एंड व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, ओके गाइस, सो ये एक वीडियो क्लिप
story there, so let's listen.
हाँ, इट्स अ वीडियो क्लिप जो कि मेरे म्यूजिक वीडियो का लुक था, बैगर का लुक था, और वही लुक लेकर मुझे अब जाकर होटल जाके शार लेकर दूसरा कपड़ा चेंज करके आना था. सो आई स्टेप लाइक उसी आउटफिट में मैं चली गई वहाँ पर, और वहाँ पे मुझे रोक दिया होटल स्टाफ ने, जो कि बनता भी है क्योंकि आप इतने बड़े ऐसे होटल में जा रहे हो. यू नीड टू बी लिटिल प्रेजेंटेबल.
So you mean this the hotel staff stopped you because you were dressed that way?
बिकॉज इट वाज पूरा फटा हुआ सा कपड़ा. एंड डेफिनेटली उनके भी दिमाग में क्या होगा कि भाई ये यहाँ पर क्या मतलब अंदर रह तो नहीं रहे होंगे शायद या समथिंग.
I second you on this. Exactly what Urvashi also said, the same thing. Your work timing and your personal socializing
Yeah.
timing and it doesn't match. So you do this. But I think this is an experience. This is an experience to have.
Something.
So it was quite fun, but I was comfortable in those clothes. So yes.
Okay. So have you ever had a fashion bad moment?
फैशन बैड मोमेंट डेफिनेटली. अगर मैं इनिशियल डेज का बात करूँ तो आई हैव ग्रूम्ड मैम, मतलब देखते हुए ही मैंने सीखा कि हाउ कैन यू बी स्टाइलिश और अच्छे से आप कैरी कर सकते हो अपने आप को. तो इट वॉज ऑल अ जर्नी मतलब फॉर मी. तो मैंने वो विद टाइम ही सीखती गई हूँ. अभी भी मैं जेंजी किड्स को देखती हूँ, हालांकि मैं भी जेंजी से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं हूँ, बट स्टिल जब मैं उनका स्टाइल देखती हूँ आई लव इट. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. व्हाट शी वाज सेइंग, बैगी क्लोथ्स आई वेयर इट, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. और मुझे तो वेट हाइड करने के लिए भी नहीं पहनना पड़ता, बट आई वेयर इट एंड आई लव इट.
I wear it for other reason.
शी वाज सेइंग
Yeah, but I had a same kind of a body shape, and not every time you can give your best. But what is my everyday outgoing wear is I wear my track pants, and with that I wear loose shirt. So वो मेरे लिए बहुत fancy हो जाता है और वो बहुत comforting
एंड आई थिंक
होता
इट्स
है
नॉट
day to day.
अबाउट स्टाइल.
It's not about from the other people's or other person's point of view. It's
You're
about
always judged.
yeah. But I don't keep that thing in my mind. For me, it's about. I think it's about my own inner happiness, and fashion is something which completely makes me super happy, and I think it's just a form of expression because I am someone who will not talk much or something, but I kind of show my emotions and my, senses through my fashion. So, or my sense of expression, you can say, or whatever you would like to say. I always try to showcase it through the kind of things I'm wearing. For example, it's really hot outside, so I'm wearing a, ice cream handbag, especially for Bollywood Hangama. So that's what I want to say. It's, for other people, they may say whatever they want, but I think it's so hot outside. Everybody want to have ice cream, so why can't I have an ice cream handbag? So I think fashion for me is just about creating a statement and being completely unapologetic about it and just owning it completely. And I've always believed, and I have even my own fashion icons are people, or be it a girl or boy, singer, actor, who have done something different. And also my personal style is, I would say, fiercely, at the same time, very, very unique, still classy. So yeah.
So you would say that you have a unique style about you.
Yes.
Okay. And do you girls, all three of you, are you aware when you step out of the house कि ये gym look है, ये airport look है, ये red carpet look है? I mean, you have
During my gym spottings, I'm never getting
Yeah.
spotted. Because I go to a very personal kind of a gym. There are no spottings happening, but still myself, I'm always wearing a proper set. It has to match. Like my gym outfit, I'll just wear whatever I'm wearing. If it's a yellow color, I need to wear yellow socks with outfits. Even nobody is watching, even nobody is, kind of making my videos or anything, but I just wear it for my own personal motivation. And I think you need to look nice even when you're working out within yourselves, lifting weights and all. So that's really nice.
Yeah, that's fantastic. That means right down to your socks, you make sure that you are well matched.
Yes.
I am totally opposite. What she said कि इन्होंने रात को ये जिम के लिए भी she can pair it up. Bro, मुझे आज मैं यहाँ पर आ रही हूँ, मैं अभी क्या पहनने वाली हूँ, I had no idea. और मैंने मेरे हेयर मेकअप में यही बोला, आप कर दो, बेसिक मेकअप कर दो, हेयर ना कर्ल करके छोड़ दो, विल सी कैसे हम करेंगे. मैंने जाकर अपने कपड़ों में से देखा क्या पहन सकती हूँ, and then I was like, black works well.
Yeah,
But that is a very good thing. I really want to adapt this habit.
I can
It's a
understand.
very good thing.
But also, I'd like to thank the entire team of stylists or the fashion designers, who it's all about their creativity or their designs that we are able to look our best on the red
I
carpets.
second you on
So
that,
the big round of applause for all the designers, be it Indian or international, for giving all their uniqueness to all of us sitting here, and also the other actresses or actors. I think fashion is something which is kind of extension of personality. So a big round of thanks to them.
Sorry, I would like to add on this because I feel a lot of time the fashion also reflects your own personality, your aura, your nature. Everything is related. A lot of people go to corporate, they do not have this the kind of lifestyle we have. It's sometimes, this is our job, sometimes we, I think, spread awareness also, but yet at the same time when you go to a corporate, people that are very limited kind of a color palette they face, and then they come and ask me, "Arey, aapne wo pehna tha, this, that." So it feels nice and great that we are able to reach to a certain audiences and we are able to showcase our talent as well at the same time. And correctly what Urvashi said, that there's so much to explore, so much to experiment. Why to limit yourself? Just go all out.
But does it happen that sometimes you find somebody else wearing the same outfit as you? More or less.
It never happened with me.
Never happened. It has happened with me once. Yes, when you buy a particular brand clothes, so that's when it happens. But then the moment I decided I'm never wearing a particular brand, I will explore and experiment with my look. Like she said, that her hair and makeup also plays the proper role. When you were just going with, I really like one of the Ranveer Singh's airport look where he was completely into a pink. He was like pink mein doob ke aa gaye the wo. But it was very beautifully he handled it, and I think I was like, anybody doesn't know anything what to wear, what to do, just go one solid single color and you're done.
Do you have this at the back of your mind that when you step out, you're making a statement? Every time you step out.
Yes, of course. I mean, why not? I mean, when it comes to being an actor, When it comes to filmography, we also have targets. In the same way, when it comes to fashion, there's always something going on in the mind. I'd like to narrate you an incident from my last Cannes Film Festival experience. So I was wearing this very beautiful ruffled feather green color Ziad Nakat gown, which is all over the internet, all over the media. And at the same time, on the same day, it was a professional commitment on the red carpet, and a Russian actress, she wore it, the gown which I was supposed to wear. It's kind of similar. And then it is something which you really don't want to do, especially when you're representing your country at the Cannes Film Festival. So it was too last minute. She wore the same thing. Thousands of French photographers, paparazzi, they photographed her. She was all over the media, news and all. So when I bought it, and then thankfully there was this small green color hat. We call it a cap. And then I decided, let me just make it different, or let's just make it different. So wearing the same outfit, unfortunately, but wearing it with the hat, so it kind of made the entire, at least made it look different, yeah. To avoid, criticism from the fashion critics.
Did you get